DIY winterproofing hacks for your shelter. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prepped and Ready. Winter can be unforgiving, but with a few budget-friendly DIY hacks, you can transform your shelter into a warm, cozy haven. Today, I'll share simple and effective ways to winterproof your space, keeping the cold out and the warmth in. Let's dive in. Insulating the tent floor. Let's start from the ground up. Insulating your tent floor is crucial for staying warm in freezing conditions. Begin with closed-cell foam pads. They're lightweight, durable, and create a barrier between you and the cold ground. For added insulation, place a reflective emergency blanket beneath your sleeping pad. It works by reflecting your body heat back toward you. Lastly, use a thick tarp or ground sheet to keep moisture and cold air out. Pro tip: if you want maximum warmth, double up with an insulated air mattress. Trust me, it makes all the difference on those icy nights. Using reflective tarps for heat retention. Reflective tarps are a game changer when it comes to heat retention. Attach them to the interior walls or ceiling of your shelter to reflect body heat back into the space. These tarps act as radiant barriers, preventing heat loss and keeping your shelter warmer for longer. Make sure they're tightly secured to eliminate drafts. They're lightweight and portable, making them perfect for everything from temporary shelters to long-term setups. Sealing gaps with duct tape. Duct tape isn't just for repairs, it's your best friend for winterproofing. Use it to seal gaps in windows, doors, or walls where cold air might seep in. For extra style points, choose colored or patterned duct tape that matches your setup. It's insulation with your personality. Pro tip: always clean and dry the surface before applying the tape for better adhesion. This simple hack goes a long way in keeping the warmth inside. Hanging blankets for extra insulation. Blankets aren't just for sleeping. They're fantastic for insulating your space. Hang them along the walls or across the ceiling to trap heat and prevent cold drafts from sneaking in. Make sure they're securely fastened. Nobody wants a blanket falling on them in the middle of the night. Bonus tip: thermal blankets are lightweight and super effective, making them ideal for outdoor adventures or minimalist setups. Pool noodles for draft stoppers. Got pool noodles lying around? Repurpose them as draft stoppers. Cut them to cheese, slice them open, and fit them snugly under doors or around windows. This hack is not only effective, but also incredibly cost-efficient. Measure the gaps carefully to ensure a snug fit. It'll make your shelter draft-free in no time. Addressing structural maintenance. Before winter hits, make sure your shelter is structurally sound. Fix loose boards, seal cracks, and check for any areas that might let in cold air or snow. Pro tip: clear snow regularly to avoid excess weight on your roof, especially for makeshift shelters or tents. A little maintenance now saves you from bigger headaches later. And there you have it, simple, budget-friendly hacks to winterproof your shelter. With these tips, you'll stay warm, cozy, and ready to face whatever winter throws your way. Found this guide helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and visit our blog for more DIY survival tips. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter for exclusive updates. Stay warm, stay prepared.